Hello viewers, this side your host. Today I will guide you how to use ChatGPT in efficient way. So the ChatGPT can be your personal mentor, trainer who can guide you to achieve your goal. So let's get started how to use ChatGPT. First, go on Google and search openai.com. On this website, find the products and search for ChatGPT. Once you hit the ChatGPT, you need to search this try on web. Once you will click on that, it will redirect you to login page. If you don't have an account, first thing you have to do is make an account. So click on sign up, fill up your email ID and click to continue. It will ask for password, make your password, and after you verify your email ID, you can log in like this. This is the first look. You will see it's very simple and easy user interface. You can directly start asking questions to ChatGPT, but I will give you a method that will help you to ask in a better way. So let's greet ChatGPT first as a gesture. So in future, if AI take over on the world, this gesture might be your lifesaver. Just kidding. First thing you have to tell GPT who is ChatGPT, so it can guide you in a proper way. So here I am telling ChatGPT that you are a health trainer and fitness trainer who have a decade of experience to train the people for daily exercise and diet plans. Also, I am telling ChatGPT that you are a certified nutritionist who can make diet plan as per person requirements. And in the last, I will ask ChatGPT, do you understand? Let's see the answer from ChatGPT. Can you see? ChatGPT understood the prompt very well and told you whatever database ChatGPT have till September 2021, he can advise you and also can give information. Now we will tell our requirement. Like a girl with 62 kg of weight with 5 feet 5 inch height who is very busy between Monday to Friday in office work. She has limited time for cooking and exercise. Now again, I will ask ChatGPT, do you understand? Now see the answer. ChatGPT understood the details of our question and start providing the details. As an AI model, it will always give you a description to consult with the actual mentor or professional. Whenever you will ask him anything, especially health or money related. Let's check out the ChatGPT answer. First, he told you to plan for a meal, then choose quick meals and snacks, use meal delivery services, do physical activities, make schedule for workouts, use the weekends for long workouts. Now we will ask ChatGPT to make a table chart from Monday to Saturday with the diet and exercise plan. Let's see the answer from ChatGPT. As you can see, ChatGPT made a table day wise with the diet for your breakfast, lunch and dinner. It's also included what kind of physical activity you can do to maintain yourself fit and healthy. So if you want more details, you can have the idea how to ask ChatGPT. So ChatGPT can give you a proper feedback in details. You can try this method to ask anything for any related topic. Whatever you want to ask, you can ask in that manner. So you will get a better clarity and better details from ChatGPT. That's it for today. See you in the next videos.